For week 5, our goals included finishing the robot and some autonomous functions, so we'll be ready for our unofficial bag and tag date in week 6.
This week, the Mech team continued building parts for the robot, focusing on big tube and intake.
This week we finished the second prototype for the shooter and we're about to cut the final pieces out of polycarb.
We worked on the climber. After some in-depth review and brainstorming, we decided to use a pneumatic spring for the folding climber. We then CAD'd the mechanism.
Before we put on the belly pan of the robot, we have to CAD the electronics so we know where to drill holes in the belly pan.
In software, we updated and finalised our shuffleboard for our driver station display and made the decision to integrate a light gate sensor into our robot after testing it last week. In addition to this, we also refactored some of our semi-autonomous functions in order to improve the readability of our code. We're also starting to do more software training with some of our members that previously focused mainly on mechanical.
We had a massive chairman's push with making final changes and edits to the essay and executive summary, and after that was submitted, we started focusing more on the video.
So this week we started the environmental pamphlet. We are planning to give this out at competitions.
We started this initiative because our theme this year is Gaia.
This pamphlet gives teams strategies on how they can be more environmentally friendly.